Hey everyone, welcome back to Balamurugan Tech. If you've ever downloaded files through Telegram on your phone but just can't seem to find them in your file manager or gallery, today's video is going to be a lifesaver. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make Telegram save your media and files straight to your device's storage, so you'll never lose track of those important photos, videos, or documents again. Alright, let's dive right into the process. The most common reason files aren't showing up in your file manager is a simple setting inside Telegram itself. Don't worry, you don't have to be a tech expert to fix this. I'll walk you through each step slowly so nothing gets missed. First, start by opening your Telegram app. If you're new to Telegram or only use it for chatting, it might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but it's easier than it looks. At the very top left of your screen, you'll see three horizontal lines, kind of like a hamburger icon. Give those a tap. This opens up the main menu where all of Telegram's key settings live. From here, scroll down and find Settings. It's usually a little gear icon, so it's easy to spot. Once you're inside Telegram settings, take your time and look for the option called Data and Storage. This part is super important because it's where Telegram controls how media like photos, videos, and files are handled on your device. Now, as you scroll through this menu, you'll come across a section labeled Save to Gallery. Depending on your phone's type or the version of Telegram you're using, this might also say something like Save to Device or Media Visibility. Whatever it's called, this is the critical area. You'll see toggles or little switches for different kinds of media, photos, videos, and files. Sometimes you might only see options for photos and videos, so if files aren't listed, don't worry, enabling the others usually does the trick. Go ahead and turn those toggles on for the types of media you want Telegram to save. You might want to flick on all three if you share a lot of files. Turning this on ensures that every time you download something in Telegram, it's automatically saved right into your device's gallery or file manager. You won't have to hunt around in hidden folders, and you won't lose any important media just because the setting was off. Now I want to pause for a moment. This is something a lot of people miss, but it's important. After you enable these settings, new files and media you download in Telegram will be visible in your file manager and gallery. However, it doesn't always retroactively show old files that were downloaded before the setting was switched on. If you need to recover those, you might need to re-download them or move them manually from Telegram's internal folders. And that's basically it. You fixed the issue. It might take a few moments for your phone to update and show the new files, especially if you've just downloaded something huge. If you still don't see files appearing, double-check those toggles and make sure you're using the latest version of Telegram. Sometimes older versions behave a bit differently. Alright, I hope this quick tutorial helps you keep all your Telegram media neatly accessible in your gallery and file manager. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I always read them and try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe to Balamurugan Tech for more easy tech tutorials in Tamil. See you in the next video.